shoot you and will kill you because and I'm also.
Impenyefosi enjaya betwa ibenwa akokoro na obu nepa sesi ade mu blame Galamsay fo a mu oman ni mu say ono me the cause of the helicopter crasher e see wo Asante Regina e claim the life of 8 Ghanaian citizens 5 government officials and 3 army men na omo on board on that helicopter ni mu sesi ade NDC is blaming Galamsay fo buso me go share sa video ni mbra e wi e bidin komo hi Sh0t TV e be say so be like e no subscribe to channel no e dia maye.
But we are telling the Galamsay for say your mom no. And then we video be a secretary maybe can say no. You should be very careful. And nobody will make them say we come after you. We will shoot you and we will kill you because and I'm also and you go for your day and we are going to tell them say all the money that they for some kind of for so. She said who says here the Ghana head no. Ya fa any day and this 7 great and the juma. O man be say. Tell me say mama say okay come to you. Ghana for Telechi and this for Telechi as at the for Telechi we are ready for the NDC and we are going to make sure that Ghana be able to pay them Efra me da say the ticket former greater Accra communicator also Kaswa branch organizer right when we go to program bodyguard our front side right 2016 every papa let me pay Mahama chance papa from body chabe I will follow you until so be do man penny. Because I'm passing, you're a mamma, papa. Look at the real book. I want to be contented everything will be our memory. Nobody, we are not going to sit down for anything to happen to NDC government again. I said so.
What can be a shagua, eh? Young people just send me a beer. Ghana, young people just send me a beer. Atal to young people. Yabasa Talabajina, Nayata Fufu, Yasabada Yamiase. Yan sat out to my jam as hobby papa. And Monsieur Biwafa, or Binana, Yampeda Mizamani, and 2 many Papa Mahama, and then the vice, Professor Jenano Poquajiman, a free Nadekoi, one for Monasi Fom. That means a man won't come. Yampaganam said Yabium, Obiaco Sajuma, a co school and co school, carpenter, and your school near this year, medicine, and your school. Obiaco Siabi. Now fast from different play. No mercy, Yampabium, Midiano Coffee NDC, Marie.
Ebusuya ye tinsem wo man we mu kokama yenti a you shoot and kill obi oye Galamsay bia. You are not serious. You are not serious. I just want to ask you a very simple question. Galamsay ni ben ne tam phone efra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say ombra no be relaunch projector ya launch dada because sa we know sin kokoye sa responsible mining then you know a projector MPP abai no alanche that I want to then say community mining, responsible community mining order that enti so wo so sakwa we launching wo project order that na kofa oye ni we abeto o mine so no adan na motwa mo ho blame Galamsay fo Galamsay ni be the town phone free John Dramani Mahama say ombra nwurem ho no mbra launch baby obi free omo and say forensic audit investigation na omo ye no a kire say obi and the 2 baby e de ball e can say helicopter ni man be hwe for mana sometimes mu bu onu ma mu kasa te say de mu mama adwen no nya adwuma mu kasa te say de mu mama adwen no enya adwuma say Galamsay ni be hu ye bobo otu eku muka sa na ai banana republic hon Ghana na ye wono Ghana na ye wono ye de mra na ye adwuma ye fa emotions enya adwuma enya sam na ye nka tama na John Dramani Mahama campaign na all promise Galamsay for say oba oba ma ye Galamsay oba oba ma ye Galamsay na wo wen where were you somewhere no now when time na all make promises say oba mama ye Galamsay na wo wen fa ene de wa be catch you say Galamsay for the cause of a helicopter crash na nti no Mahama mfa na 90 form na on stop Galamsay na omo ni adwuma bi anya omo goton ade time a president no ene na pound for nam Galamsay site e ka kire omo say omo to obo mama ye Galamsay na wen ebusa wo time a mokoka kire omo say Mahama na nkasa kan agine e kan say Galamsay for ya kire omo atum no oba obayi omo isan say enyo mo ne o say ya kire omo tum no that time na mo wen awo ka say the propaganda na ebu oman won Master, you should be serious. Oh, you should be serious. Why? And you are growing AD. You should be serious. Why? You should be serious for once. Moment your mind, BBC, you have someone to blame. At first, I'm blaming MPP. After them, I'm blaming Galamsay for. Mon pebe bin kwatana. Na mun jai sa mu yenya atwom no. Na mu yenya atwom too much. Mu yenya atwom too much. Emboa mo. I'm telling you. Emboa mo. Mu yenya atwom ankasa. Mu amunim na mo nkofo ye Galamsay bi ni. Eni ya no me na Sh0t sasa we don kode expose bebre aba fa mo ho se mo nkofo na ye Galamsay. Ana refi. Enti sa opemi blame NDC for na mo no ye the cause. Because NDC for na ye Galamsay no. I put it to you. According to Sh0t donko mo national youth one ya mean one no. Organizer was saying ya boni din so he is involved in Galamsay. Ya boni din Emma Attorney General kra ehwehwe ni nsem. Right. It's a unima me kan chiro. Unimu a me kan achiro. Say your people are involved in the Galamsay. And this all blame me free and say my yebo free to the kind esi o feel we are no abagana na oni abedi nkomo. Enye sa dia pepe bitina na yedin. Ebusua ya Ghana nsem TV. Ahade nsem ekoso Ghana na de bro. Ni aka na kre e da chite Ghana fo ye man fa ntro embefe mu nko. Ghana nsem TV. Ghana be ya ejina me no so. Subscribe to channel on my now we are like it as. All right, ebusua. Now, you see I'm blaming Galamsay for a helicopter crash here isi ye. The person busa say ananya bia no. In hwehwemu no mo ye no, abede de say obi na etu bibi ko bo mu ana Galamsay ena edi bibi ekobo lekota ni man ko te hwe ya na. Because I don't understand. This is not the first video I make home blaming Galamsay. My video being so ye Accra Greater Accra communicator na one branch chairman wakasoa na Galamsay no omo ba omo bobo mutu aku omo se den. Bro, Galamsay frɛ obia wo obo ase so omo mbra ho. Mo na mo say mo kwakoye launching of a responsible mining then blah blah blah. Something that was launched last 2 years ago. Mo kwakoye renaming na kwakoye relaunching. Ena mo kwakoye mbibi na Yakopon amfa fi na bibia kwakosi. Obia mpene sa won se mchata de tuntum. Enyina we ye mo ye. But mama for emotions enke kansem Galamsay obia mfrɛ mu ho. Galamsay no call people for there. I know they understand you people. You hear say Galamsay people call the NDC people for the Obuasi there. Them call you people and come like my friend someone bro. Them call you say come there. Who call you? Them call you say come there. Them force you to come learn something give them. Them force you people. Sometimes women they use emotions they talk plenty. Why? Them force you say come Obuasi come learn something give them. Them force you. What be all this? They don't force you. If you where you come out your house, say the place go learn something. We unfortunately something can happen. Why did they blame the people? Be say like, I'm not forced to say blah blah and chibi. I know they bab you people. What be your problem, Asa? You know they take emotions do anything. No, it be facts. No be emotions where we they take the rule country. It be facts. The time when you manage to go the Galamsay site where they promise them say, oh yeah, buy mama ye juma then no. Now you don't know, massa. Go sit somewhere. The Galamsay people they don't call you people for that. They don't call you. So if you don't get anything better talk, keep quiet and sit somewhere. What be this? What's we they think? People die with the more. Make you people make you stop those things where they do. No, they like them.